Hi, my name is David Wu and I'm the Vice President of Investor Relations and Corporate Development here at Greenheart Group Limited.
Today, we'd like to take you on a short tour around our sawmill facility in West Suriname, the smallest country in South America just north of Brazil. The first line of our sawmill was commissioned in August 2012 and we'd expect full completion by early 2014. The completed sawmill will be one of the largest tropical hardwood mills in South America, with a capacity to process over 100,000 cubic meters, dry kilns, finishing facilities and powered by our own bioenergy plant converting wood waste into green energy. When finished, this sawmill will be producing some of the world's most valuable, durable and most importantly sustainably produced hardwood lumber.
and we will continue building on the successes and to keep growing our businesses forward. Thank you.